Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Rahman.
My name is Belal Hussain.
We are come from Burkunda Madrasa Darul Uloom Jamaliya Rizviya Maktab. We play a short conversation. Let's start. Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
What's your name?
My name is Belal Hussain and your?
My name is Abdul Rahman.
MashaAllah, very nice name.
Jazakallah khaira. And where are you from?
I am from Birbhum and your?
I am from Murshidabad. How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine and you?
Alhamdulillah, I am good also. And how is your family, Bilal?
Alhamdulillah, my family is good and you?
Alhamdulillah, my family is also fine. What's your hobby?
My hobby is learning and your?
My hobby is Quran recitation.
MashaAllah, very good my dear friend.
Thank you so much. Okay, my friend, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.